South African citizen who is worried with what is going on with the Senzo's case. 1. If the case starts at 10 a.m., that will be an exception than a rule. 2. Notwithstanding the fact that the proceedings would have started at 10 or even 10:45, there will be a request for a short adjournment at 11:15. 3. The said short adjournment will be meant to take 15 minutes, but same will take up to 25 minutes or so. 4. And then at 1 o'clock, 1300 hours, there will be a request for a long adjournment until 1400 hours, that is 2 o'clock. And this must take 15 more minutes. 5. At 3 o'clock or 3:30 latest, there will be a request for an adjournment for the day. And then, of course, he talks about, JP, what are the standing orders regarding hours that needs to be spent at high courts? Have we forgotten that there are families that need closure, both the bereaved and the suspects? At this rate, how much more will the said families and interested people have to wait before the outcome is known? Senzo's father passed on without knowing who killed his son. His mother too is not young anymore, and it looks like the same fate is awaiting her. I am hereby pleading for your intervention in this regard. You know, the JP sent this thing to me on Friday at home. He says, well, I trust you are well, meaning me, Ratha. Please see correspondence below for your attention. You know what irks me? This guy is basically saying we don't work.
Yeah, well, he's entitled to his opinion.
No, but he mustn't then write this thing. He must, because the JP, he says it's for my attention. This gentleman says, once you have got in here at 10 o'clock, you must get out at 4 o'clock. You mustn't even go to the toilet.
That's what they say.
Yeah. You mustn't go to the toilet. You mustn't go for tea. You mustn't be sick. And then also he's basically saying,
Doesn't understand.
yeah, no, I know he doesn't. But you see, this is what happens in this country of ours. He doesn't understand that if you call a witness, Mr. Baloyi, like Steenkamp from George, if he misses a plane, we are just in a bad situation. We have to start when he comes at 11. You see, now he doesn't even understand that there are prisoners here who must be processed at Mampuru, Leokop, and Modabi. With him, everybody must be here at 10. I think he must be a president of South Africa because...
Well, in the perfect world, everything works, according to clockwork, but, there are some inherent problems, like the accused haven't arrived.
Yeah, that's it. Like Mr. Ngomezulu was sick here in court. He says, no, once he's sick, you must push on. It's his business.